Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to prevent users from changing sounds in Windows. The Sound tab located in the Sound Control panel allows its users to customize and make changes to the computer system and notification sound. Users with administrative access can both disable or enable the Sound tab for other users. In this video, let us show you different methods to disable Sounds tab so that other users cannot make changes to the system's sound. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First method, disable from the local group policy editor. To prevent users from changing Windows settings, you can do that in the group policy editor section. Though there are two categories in the group policy editor, such as computer configuration and user configuration. But for today's video, let us configure the settings on the user configuration only. To do this, press Windows plus R key to open Runbox. Then at Runbox type gpedit.msc and press Enter. At Local Group Policy Editor window, click User Configuration to expand it. Then click Administrative Templates to expand it. Next, click Control Panel to expand it. Click Personalization folder. At Personalization section on the right pane, double-click Prevent Changing Sounds. Then click the Enabled option. Click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to exit. Second method, disable through the Registry Editor. Another method to prevent users from changing sounds is through the Windows Registry. If the local group policy editor was already used, the Registry Editor will be automatically updated for that settings. But if you are directly using this method, there are missing keys and values that you need to create for that specific settings. To do this, press Windows plus R keys to open Runbox. Then at Runbox type regedit and press Enter. At Registry Editor window, navigate to the following: H key Current User folder to expand it. Then click Software folder, then click Policies folder, click Microsoft folder, then click Windows folder. Next, click Personalization folder. If there is no personalization folder, simply right-click on the window and choose New and then Key option. Name the key as Personalization. Next, right-click on Personalization key and then choose New, then select DWORD 32-bit value option. Now name the key as No Changing Sound Scheme and press Enter. Double-click on No Changing Sound Scheme at right pane. Change value data to 1 to disable Sounds tab. Exit Registry Editor. Restart computer. You can always enable Sounds tab anytime. Simply change the value to 0 or just delete the value. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.